For 35, we need to find the center and the radius of an equation of a circle. We will first group the terms in X and leave space to complete the square. Then we'll group the terms in Y, leave space to complete the square, leave two spaces to balance the equation, and make sure that the constant term is on the other side. The missing piece is b over 2 squared, and b is the coefficient of x for the first trinomial. Negative 12 over 2 squared is equal to negative 6 squared. Let's add negative 6 squared to the left side, and negative 6 squared is 36. For the second binomial, b is negative 8. So it's negative 8 over 2 squared, which is negative 4 squared. Negative 4 squared on this side, and negative 4 squared is 16. Now, the first trinomial is a perfect square, and the second trinomial is also a perfect square. Let's just add the constant 52, 25. So this is 25. The center radius formula for an equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. The center is hk, and the radius is r. Our first perfect square is x minus 6 squared, and the second one is y minus 4 squared. According to the template, negative h is equal to negative 6 if we compare the two. Negative h is equal to negative 6. Therefore, h is equal to 6 when we divide by negative 1. And negative k is equal to negative 4. Therefore, k is equal to 4. To get the center from the equation, we must change the sign. We must take the opposite sign. R squared is equal to 25. R is equal to square root of 25, which is 5. Correct answer is A. Solve for z. 3 times 4z minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 7 minus 2z. Using distribution, 3 times 4z, 12z. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. We keep 6, and if we write a negative 1 to distribute the negative sign, negative 1 times 7, negative 7. Negative 1 times negative 2z, positive 2z. 12z minus 15 is equal to 6 minus 7 will be negative 1 plus 2z. Now, to isolate c, we'll take z away from both sides, and then we move 15 to the other side by adding 15 to both sides. 12 minus 2, 10, 10z. 15 minus 1, 14. To get z, we divide by 10. Z is equal to 14 over 10. Divide 14 by 2, divide 10 by 2. 14 is 2 times 7. 10 2 times 5, so the 2 will cancel. Therefore, z is equal to 7 over 5, which is answer E.